If you find that your iPad's battery is not holding power as well as it should and you want to conserve battery power, here are the 3 official ways that Apple recommends that you adjust the settings to conserve battery power. The first thing you should do, open up the settings and then go to the display and brightness on the left. You'll see if the brightness is fully on or near the top. If you bring that down a little bit, it will make it slightly less bright, but it will also help conserve the battery power because the screen itself is one of the most battery hogging things on your iPad. So that's method number 1. The second thing that you can do is you can turn on low power mode on your iPad. Tap the battery icon on the left side of the settings screen, and then you'll see at the very top it says low power mode. Tap that. And you may have noticed this in the upper right corner, the battery just turned from green to yellow. That means it's on low power mode. And I found that low power mode, your iPad will still work almost the same way as it did before, with one critical exception, and the screen will turn off much more quickly if you're not tapping the screen. The third method that Apple suggests for conserving battery life and making your iPad use power more efficiently is to actually update the operating system. So to do that, go to General in the settings. The second option is Software Update. Tap that. And if you see that the iPad is recommending you update the operating system, in this case, updating to iOS 17.3, you should do it. Apple constantly tweaks the operating system to get more efficiency gains, and also, in some cases, certain types of apps are changed with the new operating system to operate more smoothly. So updating it right now will make this iPad more efficient and will help me conserve the battery power. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.